for some reason, whenever I see the difficult training sessions, the hard training sessions, I get excited for some reason. Like I know I'm gonna be on the ground and I know I'm gonna feel the pain. I know I'm gonna feel sick in the night because of how I literally run myself in the wall. But I just get excited. I have a feeling like, yo, I'm ready to go knock down the workout there. But I'm not gonna lie, there were times I'm like, yo, need alarm, beep, beep, beep. I say, it's not safe, you know. You know what I'm saying? It's not safe. Even while I look on the paper, I say, yo, I have 12 miles for running now, I have 11 miles for running now. I say, yo, back, I feel my back, you know. I feel my shin, I say, yo, this is not safe, you know. But I say, yo, I say, look for me to when even reach down yet. And I complain, I have man out there where I win Olympic medal and them thing there. So I say, you know, don't think about it, just get up. I might say, just don't think about it, just move. If you start same time, just get up out there. As you hear alarm, just get up out of bed. Not now grab the phone, nothing. As you beep beep, you just get up and move.